class, how are you today? I am good, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson today, please saying Basmala together. Okay, now let me check your attendance. Who is the absent today? No one. Before we last week we learned about a legend, or narrative text. Who still remember the part of narrative text? The orientation. Please louder. Orientation. Complication. Resolution. Reorientation. Okay, good. And what are the language feature of narrative text?
Past.
Yeah. Adjective. Okay, adjective. Yes. Okay, before we continue the material, I have a test for you about last week material. So, please open your phone and open Chrome or Google and click Kahoot. Right, Kahoot. Okay guys, today we will learn another type of narrative text, a fable. What do you know what a fable is? Animal story. Yeah. Louder please. Animal story. Yes. A story about animals. Learning objective. Student will understand the characteristic of the fable. Student will identify problems and solutions in the story. Students will be able to create short dialogue about fables. And the last is students will write short fables with moral message. Sister Madin read learning flow. Students are asked to watch an example. Students are asked to watch an example of a fable from a video. Second, students are asked to read the story and identify its structure and language features. Third, students create a short dialogue. And last, students create a story with a moral message. Thank you, Sister Madin. Okay, let's see this picture. What is the story? Lion and the Mouse. Yeah, good job. Lion and Mouse.
And the mouse.
And while the watch the video, please find the structure and language feature.
Once upon a time, there lived a lion who ruled the forest. One day, after eating his meal, the lion fell asleep under a tree. A little mouse saw him and thought it would be fun to play on it. He began running up and down the sleeping lion. He ran up the tail and slid down the tail. The lion woke up angry with a loud roar. He grabbed the mouse with his huge paw. The mouse struggled but could not escape. The lion opened his big jaws to swallow him. The mouse was very scared.
I'm very scared. Please don't eat me. Forgive me this time. Please let me go. I shall never forget it. Or maybe one day I can help you.
The lion was so amused by the idea of the mouse being able to help him that he lifted up his paw and let him go.
Thank you, King. I will never forget your kindness.
You are lucky, my friend.
What is the moral value from this story? Yes, Sister Nida, please answer.
We should not underestimate others, even if they are small. Good job.
Okay, there are characteristics of people. So please, Brother Faiz, to read the characteristic of people.
And first, the characteristic are animals. And the second, the plot is short and simple. And the third, they are good and bad characters. And the last, the themes and moral message of the table are sometimes written in the story.
Okay, good job. Give applause to Brother Faiz. Okay, let's read the text. Sister Laila, please read one paragraph from this.
Once upon a time, in a big forest, there lived a strong lion and a little mouse. The lion was very proud because he was the king of the jungle. The mouse was small but friendly and kind. They both lived near the same.
Yeah. Thank you, Sister Laila. Sister Ulan, please.
The lion was sitting under a tree. Suddenly, the little mouse ran over his daddy by accident. The lion woke up angrily and called the mouse with his big paw. The mouse was very scared and said, "Please don't eat me, Mr. Lion. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up."
Okay. So, from this story, what part of the story is the orientation? The first paragraph. Yes, the first paragraph. And what part of the story is complication?
Second.
Yes, the second. One hot day until what he opened. The third paragraph is resolution, and the last paragraph is orientation. Now make group. Please, group 1, read your work. Here.
Lion, mouse, please help me. I tried. Mouse, I'm sorry, lion, but I'm too scared to cut the neck. Lion, but you promised. Mouse, I know, but I cannot do it. Lion.
Okay, good job. Please applause for group 1. The next is individual class. The introduction, read a Bible story with two characters and a moral message. Read it on paper. Written in front of the class. I think 30 minutes is enough. Are you done?
Yes.
Miss Laila, please your come forward and read your work.
The ant and the grasshopper. In summer, the ant worked hard collecting food for winter, so the grasshopper only play and laugh at the ant. When winter came, the grasshopper had no food. He asked the ant for help. The ant shared a little, but the grasshopper regret his laziness. So the moral message is work hard before it's too late.
Okay, good job. Give applause to Sister Laila. Okay, before we close our lesson today, let's review. Please mention what a language feature of narrative text.
Hashtag, cyber of time, time of yang specific character,
And what characteristic of fables? The character are last week we will learn about procedure. Next week we will learn about procedure text. Please your find definition and structure and example of procedure text. Okay, please saying hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you for your attention. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.